Guess how much Sofia Vergara's kitchen range costs? The answer might surprise you. In a recent glimpse into Sofia Vergara's kitchen, one luxury stole the spotlight: her lacornue range. These aren't just any stoves. They're the epitome of culinary elegance, chosen by the world's most famous chefs and celebrities. And the price? They can cost up to $100,000. Lacornue represents the pinnacle of French craftsmanship, merging beauty with unparalleled cooking performance. This company has been leading the way in French culinary tradition for over 100 years, with ranges starting at $10,000 and soaring up to $100,000. It's clear why Sofia's choice is making headlines. Each lacornue range is a testament to personal style and culinary precision, especially the Château range, which offers over 8,000 ways to customize. Size, color, features, you name it. It's about creating a range that perfectly fits your kitchen's aesthetic and your culinary aspirations. The result is not only a centerpiece for the kitchen, but also a masterpiece. If you enjoy our content, follow us for more.